Andrew, look at all the stuff that people got us. It's like everything we put on that list, they bought for us.
Oh, it was such a beautiful wedding, Claire. Can you believe your parents flew all the way across the country just to see us get married?
Yeah, they got us the blender, right? So what's next, like life event-wise? I think we have to wait at least 5 years to renew our vows. Can we have a registry for that?
I don't know, maybe?
And then I guess we can buy a new house. I hear people are giving massage chairs as housewarming presents, maybe even a vacation.
We don't need a new house.
And then when we decide to have a child, we can get so much stuff. I mean, for the baby.
I think you're focusing a little bit too much on the gifts. We just got married and it was perfect. Let's just focus on the current situation.
How can you be so grumpy when you're surrounded by such beautiful things?
The love of your life included.
I mean, look at all the restaurant gift cards we got. We can eat out for weeks just because we said I do.
Yeah, I enjoyed getting married to you too, honey.
Oh, and our milk frother. We can froth all the milk we want from now to like forever. And Aunt Rhonda got us this, a Roomba. You know, that vacuuming robot I told you about?
Alright, yeah, that might be kind of cool. Cleaning without having to do anything.
See, maybe this marriage will work out. All these things will keep us together for the rest of our lives.
I just wonder how it works, you know? Like, how does it know where to go?
Alright, everything is put away. Thanks so much for your help.
Look at that thing go. It's amazing.
Yeah, he's really cool, honey.
How does he know where to go?
Pretty sure it's a sensor or something.
Do you think he's hungry?
I think he's a machine.
He really loves it.
I really think he's just putting it in with the rest of the dirt.
Man, he's really packing those away. He's supposed to work on an empty stomach.
Andrew!
What?
Andrew, you've been following this thing around for weeks. Is it ever going to end?
First of all, he has a name.
I really don't care. We have lives to live. Come on, let's get out of the house or something. Anything.
Yeah, why don't you go play with your little milk frother there? I bet if you really worked at it, you can make yourself cappuccinos every morning.
Us? Andrew, this is ridiculous. We need to talk somewhere other than this house. We need some alone time.
Yeah, I really want to, but I don't really want to leave him alone. I mean, what if he gets scared?
I think it's going to be fine. Let's go.
Claire, I don't think I'm really that comfortable with this. Do you think we should get him a sitter?
You want to get a sitter for that?
Well, what if he fills up with dust and there's no one there to empty him?
We need to talk somewhere other than this house.
We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Right here.
Andrew!
What?
Listen, Andrew, we need to talk.
About what?
About what? You and the Roomba are getting a little too close, don't you think?
Look who's talking. You're the one who was all obsessed with the wedding gifts as soon as we got home.
Yes, I'll admit, I enjoyed the gifts a little too much. I was wrong. You don't see me in bed with the toaster.
Yeah, not yet.
Listen, I just think your relationship with the vacuum cleaner is getting a little too close. See, look at yourself. You're not gonna get home faster by eating like that.
Well, maybe I just like eating like this. You don't know everything about me, Claire.
Hello? What's wrong at the house? Oh my god, the presents. We'll be right there.
What's wrong?
The alarm is going off at the house.
Stefan!
What? Who's that?
Nothing. You wouldn't understand. Let's just go.
Wait, we should pay.
Yeah, come on, hurry up over here.
Come on.
Man, I can't believe we beat the cops here. Guess I don't care about who's inside.
Try it.
Oh my god.
I guess we found our intruder.
Yeah, I told you we couldn't leave him by himself. Come here, Stefan. He's probably trying to escape this prison.
Come on, Andrew. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Well, Stefan and I are going on a little trip until someone learns a little something about compassion.
Come on, you can't be serious.
Oh, I am.
He can't be too serious. He didn't take the charger.